Hello everybody, I'm Елизавета from Fethi. I have a big bag of scraps of fabric and old jeans. I suggest to take fabrics made from natural fibers. This is important for the future product. By the way, I'll show you the sewing secret. I start the work piece from the wrong side. I quilt a layer of cotton insulation with linen fabric. I cut off excess insulation. Prepare and set aside. Main detail. This is a stabilizer. I sew cotton insulation on it. I cut off the excess. I sew linen fabric in the center. Permanent heading on my channel, wanted dog. On this piece we need to make embroidery or simple stitch. I embroider a red rooster. And now on 4 sides I sew small pieces of fabric. It turned out like this. I add other fabrics to the corners. I add denim, plain fabric, fabric with a flower. I cut off the excess. And I think we can add some more little pieces of fabric. I sew long pieces of fabric. I fix around the perimeter. I want to add decorative stitching. Important, it is necessary to sew a loop from the tape. And now I'm telling you a secret. Let's take the back piece, matching corners, and I fold one end. In the empty corner, I add an auxiliary detail. I sew a line around the perimeter. And one more for strings. I cut off the extra corners. I remove the stabilizer. I cut the seam allowances to 1 cm. Trim off excess seam allowances at the corners. I turn the product. I straighten the corners with a needle. Ready. There are no holes to sew up with hand stitches. I repeat this 5 times. My chicken pot holders are ready. Some are diagonal. The sides are also different. There are spirals, bubbles, waves, brains, geometric ornament, and large spiral. And here are the sewing secret. Final cleaning. The description contains links to the shop with handicrafts. By buying in these stores, you are giving jobs to Turkish women. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video. All the best in your sewing. Bye bye.